A YouTuber, be it old, new, or you know, some years back, I don't know. But if you're a YouTuber and you are into a faceless channel that doesn't, show your face, please just maintain whatever you are doing. Yes, maintain it. Maintain it. But if you're the type that always, face your camera to say one or two things and at the end of it, you just go. That is your area of content. Vlog, get ready with me, discussing something, how to do something, teaching or whatsoever. That always bring you to the camera. And at a point, you got tired of that content and you want to switch. Please, if you're switching, don't ever try to switch to one that will query your identity. Is a warning. It's a warning to you. If you check the description I left there, if you check the title, it was one of the main reason why I lost my first channel, my first account. So if you are changing, if you are switching any content of your choice, maybe you want to start doing a faceless one, please don't ever do the one that will query your identity. Don't ever try it because you're gonna lose your account. I'm telling you this right now because it has happened to me. So yes, I've already cried my cry because some people be like, oh, and you're just sounding this way as if it's nothing. My sister, my brother, I won't kill myself now. It has happened already. It has happened. So there's nothing I can do about it. But let me sound this as a warning to every of my friends out there. Yeah. If you're into YouTube, no matter what you're doing, no matter the content you do, great. And at a point, you feel like changing, like you want to do it in a way that you don't really have time for your camera and all that. You can just do something and just move on. You're looking for something cheaper, something easier for you, and maybe you want to go into AI generated videos. Well, it's not bad, but make sure you do the one that won't query your identity. That's just my own. Maintain your identity, and in case they send you a message that your content is kind of, it's not tallying with what we used to know you with. Please ask question before you go about it. If not, you are going to lose all your videos. You're going to delete every video that you have uploaded that contradicts the one you started with. I don't know if you understand me. Yeah, if you have been posting something and at a point you want to switch, let me sound it again. That one you're switching to, let it not contradict the one you've been posting because my sister, my brother, you are going to lose that channel if care is not taken. YouTube, they are not smiling right now. They are not smiling these days. They are just very mean. So for you not to fall victim of circumstances, that's why I'm doing this video. Let me create awareness to those of my friends, my family. Yeah, because you're a YouTuber, so something is common. Let me create the awareness so that you pick note, you take note of it and not to fall victim. So for you, if I leave it for myself and fight it alone, because this thing has actually led me into depression. Like I felt so hurt, deeply hurt, and all that. I know what I struggle on that channel, but today I don't know what to tell you. But I just give God the glory. But for you want to venture into it, please, I please. If you ask me to kneel down, I don't mind going on my knees so I can plead with you guys. Don't change it. If you're changing it, let it not contradict what you have been posting before. Please, let it not contradict your identity. Let it not query your identity. That's the essence. If it does, my sister, my brother, you are going to get an email from YouTube team, and you know what it means. Your channel will just be demonetized, and whatever you are posting is just on your own. It's the fact. And before you reclaim it back, you will do like this. Just come and ask me how far. I will tell you. That journey is journey I would never advise my enemy to go through. So please avoid it. Avoid whatever that would make your channel to be demonetized. It's better let it be dormant. When you have chance, you have space, you have time again, you can start than leaving it and let me be posting for posting sake and it to contradict whatever you posted. you're gonna regret it. Okay? It's just what I want to tell you. I'm not editing much on this. I'm just gonna, be playing with you guys. So see you guys in my next video. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you want to support me, please subscribe and watch my videos at least. Give me likes. If you know you cannot comment, please just give a thumbs up. Okay? I'm pleading. I'm pleading. Thank you.